Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing people's liked videos on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the TikTok account that you would like to see the liked videos on. Now at the top of the account, tap on the heart button. This will bring you to the person's liked videos. If you tap on the heart and it has a crossed out eye like this one, then that means that the person has made their liked videos private. In this case, it is not possible to see their liked videos. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.